G'day guys, Greg here. Now I am off to KFC because they have got what I believe could be the best meal deal ever. This is one you definitely do not want to miss out on. So let's whip on in and grab it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah! Alright, well here it is. Now this is an online order only and well you're not going to believe what we get inside. Now one of the main reasons I got this as well is because I really wanted to see how much it weighs. And I tell you what, it has got some serious weight. Alright, well here we go. 1.44 kilos. And the best thing about this meal deal is it only costs $15. Well, $14.95 to be exact. Let me show you what we get inside. All right, well, we get a gravy here. And we get 1 chips. I got actually extra salt on this. 2 chips. Yes. But wait, there's more. It gets better. Because we get a whole box. And let me show you what we get inside this box. We get 1, 2, 3. Whoa, come back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right, you heard right. 9 pieces of KFC, 2 chips, and a gravy for $14.95. Oh my God! And I actually swapped 2 pieces out for some hot and spicy, so you can mix and match it if you want. And I got extra salt on the chips. I'm living the dream! And you could be living the dream too, if you got the KFC app. Oh, mate, how good is this? Oh. I can't believe how much KFC chicken there is. Plus we get chips and gravy. Oh, and this gravy is nice and thick. Oh. Oh. But first, how about we start off with a piece of KFC original. Come at me, bro. And let's not forget you can swap out the pieces for hot and spicy too if you want. Check out this one. Oh, mate! Look at that breading! Oh, mate. That was so oily and greasy. That is so good. Now you know there's only one score I can give this, and this is 10 out of 10. But I just had to show you this meal deal because, I mean, it really is, well, I think is the best meal deal ever. And this is going to last me a couple of days. Easy. Well, maybe one day. But anyway, I don't know how long it's going to last for, but you better whip into KFC ASAP and grab it. Online only. If you do go, tell them Greg sent him. I wonder if they'll have a clue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Yeah!
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the